Hi everybody, how are you today? My name is Memetjan. I'm Uyghur doctor. Today I want to talk about something really important. Your liver. So your liver is like a factory. Actually, it is the biggest factory inside your body. And the crazy thing is, it never stops working, like 24 hours a day. Even when you are sleeping, it is still working. It's cleaning your blood, removing bad stuff, helping your digestion, strong energy, things like that. So it's done a lot for you every single day. And here's something really interesting. Your liver is very strong. Even if like 2/3 of it is removed, it can grow back. Yeah, seriously. In a few months, maybe around half a year, it can recover. That's how powerful it is. But here's the problem. Even though your liver is strong, we don't always treat it well. Bad habits, bad food, no sleep, all of this adds pressure. For example, some people skip meals like breakfast. They are busy or not hungry, but your body still needs energy. If you don't eat regularly, your system becomes unbalanced over time. And it can affect your overall health, including your liver. Now let's talk about water. Water is very important. Your body needs it. Your blood needs it. Your liver needs it. But here's the thing. It is not just about drinking water. It is about how you drink it. Don't drink too fast. If you drink a lot of water all at once, your body may feel uncomfortable. So it's better to drink slowly, little by little. Take a sip with a lid, then drink again. That's the better way. Also, your brain is mostly water, around 70 to 80%. So, when you don't drink enough water, your brain doesn't work as well. You may feel tired, slow, or unfocused. But when you drink enough water, you feel clearer. Your thinking becomes better. And sleep is also very important. When you sleep, your body repairs itself. Your liver also gets time to recover. If you don't sleep enough, your body stays under stress. So try to sleep well every day. Also, too much alcohol is not good, and the stress also affects your body. So simple lifestyle matters a lot. Now let me show you something. On the left, this is healthy liver. On the right, this is fatty liver. You can see the difference, right? The healthy liver looks like clean and strong, but the fatty liver looks tired and stressed. So, what's the fatty liver? It means too much fat built up in the liver. And this is becoming very common today. A lot of people have a fatty liver, but they don't even know it. In the past, people thought fatty liver was mainly caused by alcohol. Yeah, and drinking too much alcohol can damage your liver. But now we know something new. Even people who don't drink alcohol can have fatty liver. This is called non-alcohol fatty liver. And recent studies show that more and more people are getting it, even women, because of modern lifestyle. Too much sugar, processed food, less movement, stress, things like that. So, fatty liver is not just about alcohol anymore. It is about your daily habits. At first, you may not feel anything, but over time, it can become a serious problem. Alright, now look at this. This image shows how liver disease develops over time. It doesn't happen one day. It happens slowly, over many years. At the beginning, everything looks normal, but then damage starts. First, it can become acute hepatitis. This is the early stage. Some people recover, but some don't. If it continues, it becomes chronic hepatitis. This can last for many years, like 5 years, 10 years, even 15 years. During this time, the liver is slowly getting damaged. After a long time, it can become cirrhosis. This means like your liver becomes hard and damaged. And it can work well. And if it gets worse, it can lead to liver cancer. This process can take 10, 20, even 30 years. Very slow, but very serious. And the scary thing is, many people don't feel anything in the early stage. They think they are healthy. Many people only find out when it is already advanced. So don't wait. Take care of your liver early. So, what can you do? Very simple. Drink water regularly. Don't skip meals. Sleep well. Don't overwork your body. Small things, but very powerful. So, just remember this. Your liver is your life factory. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. Alright, see you next time. Please subscribe. Thank you so much.